She smells dogs, probably. Yeah. Just like you're messing up my hair, dude. Yeah, if you don't mind. If she's probably like, I don't want to play. I just want to see her get petted a little bit. Okay. She's so pretty. She says, "What am I doing outside?"
And her up nose.
Can you pet her? She's like, "Let me down." Aww.
She's
Okay.
a good cat. She's always been.
All right. I know you've got other ones loose already, so.